So Samsung may surprise us with an early launch of the S24 FE and an upgraded design. Yes, a report from the Alex suggests that Samsung has already begun manufacturing display panels for the Galaxy S24 FE, which will include a new display driver IC from Anapass, which is a major display component manufacturer. Samsung is currently said to be working on the supply chain for the manufacturing of the Galaxy S24 FE, and the mass production of the same is likely to commence in the second half of 2024. Interestingly, the Galaxy S24 FE is said to use the latest display technology with a rigid OLED panel along with the chip-on-film packaging. While it is said to be a difficult manufacturing process, especially when compared to chip-on glass, for those who don't know, it is said to reduce the size of the bezels and also thickness of the display assembly. This means we can finally see a slim bezels on a FE phone after a long time. One major change could be the display size, as the leak suggests the smartphone might get a 6.1 inches AMOLED display. This means the phone might get smaller considering its predecessor has a 6.4 inches screen. It seems like Samsung is bringing the compact phone back into trend. Many people are not happy that all brands are opting for a large display. Recently, Asus also abandoned the compact phone and went for a large display in their 11 series. It is good to hear that Samsung is making this initiative for those who love compact phones. Moving on, according to the tipster, like the Galaxy S24, it will come in both Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400 CPU. Samsung didn't take the same approach with the Galaxy S23 FE, which has a less powerful chipset than the Galaxy S23. Samsung seems to be using a new strategy to regain the excitement and interest of the Fan Edition users. I know you may be thinking that this seems too good to be true. However, as we know, Samsung will cut cost in the design and other components, as we saw with the S23 FE, which had a horrible design despite being priced as a flagship. Similarly, Samsung will likely drop some flagship features in the S24 FE. The leak hasn't mentioned the rest of the specs, but to maintain the current $200 price difference, Samsung might make it with less impressive cameras, and the phone might not be as durable as the Galaxy S24. So what do you think of this Galaxy S24 FE? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.